in Day in the Life. Watermelon seeded one, beets, celery, ginger, almond milk, peanuts, seeded grapes, purple ones. It's a lot of weight, but you get used to it. Just keep going. Just keep going. All the hard stuff, you will get used to it. Day with Dre, how it ended. Talk about it later. Crazy, yes.